What is going on, everybody? It is your guy James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I want to give you guys some style ideas for the Zyon Yeezy 350. Now, this is a very popular sneaker. Probably one of the best 350s to ever drop in 2020. That's just my opinion, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people can agree with that. It's starting to get a little chilly outside, and I think we're going to see more and more of this sneaker in this fall and winter. So I'm going to give you guys some inspiration, some ideas to dress this sneaker up, because this is a banging sneaker. And I think you guys should look fly wearing this sneaker, you know what I mean? I have 3 monochromatic style outfits I want to show you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to actually see these outfits. And they're very cheap, very affordable. You do not have to be rich, or you don't have to drop thousands of dollars in Kanye merch to wear any Yeezys. But before we get started in the video, if you want to stay up to date on Yeezy news, reviews, and updates, and some style advice, you know what I mean? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you could drop a like on this video, that would be very appreciated. It goes a long way, trust me. And guess what? It's free, okay? Thank you guys so much for the support. But let's talk about the Zyon 350 first. The Zyon 350 is actually dropped in July of this year for $220 USD. And it's actually one of the most popular 350s this year, actually. The sneaker's made with a prominent upper with a mixture of grays and neutral browns. It has a full-length clear boost midsole and a light gum outsole as well. Now, let's start with the first outfit. The first outfit, we're gonna start with the top. We got an all gray H&M sweater. This sweater is made with 100% cotton, but it is a little thinner than the usual sweaters that's out there. That's one thing I can say. It is a crew neck sweater, by the way, and it is all gray. And as far as the fit on the sweater, I am usually a large in shirts, but I actually got this in a medium because this shirt is actually a loose fitting sweater. For me personally, I just thought it was a good idea to go a size down because it is a loose fitting sweater by nature, and it just feels better when it's a size down for me personally. So you might want to do that if you do plan on buying this shirt or sweater, excuse me, from H&M. And the great thing about this sweater is that it does have ribbon on the neckline, the cuffs, and also the bottom of the sweater as well. It is a super soft sweater and it's very brushed on the inside of the sweater as well too, so it is very comfortable. This sweater is dirt cheap. Right now they have it available at H&M for $14.99 while supplies last. So you guys better get up on this, because it is dirt cheap, especially to be a sweater. And as far as the bottom, we just got some regular gray fitted sweatpants. These are like a regular fit, so it will be a little looser than the regular skinny fit sweatpants. These sweatpants do have a drawstring waistband and also has side seam pockets as well. And lastly, it does have tapered legs on the bottom of the sweatpants. So it does feel very comfortable. Very loose, very comfortable. These light gray sweatpants works perfectly with the Zyon 350s, just perfectly. And I just think grays overall works with the sneaker. And I got these sweatpants also for H&M for $17.99, which is a good deal. And to top off the outfit, I just got a long fit white t-shirt. The reason why I went with this white t-shirt because it matches with the grays very well. And number 2, I just think it gives the outfit a lot more personality. I just think the outfit looks a little bit boring with the sweater and the sweatpants. I just think throwing an extra layer on the outfit would just give it a lot more personality. And this H&M long fit white t-shirt is just perfect. This t-shirt isn't really that bad either. It actually cost me $9.99. For outfit number 2, we're gonna start with the top. We have a checkered gray and black flannel. It has a lightly brushed down cotton fabric with a turned down collar. It is long sleeve, and also at the cuffs it actually has adjustable buttons on it, so you can switch to a small or large size if you want at the wrist. This shirt is actually a regular loose fit. It feels very comfortable, especially at the waistline, might I add. And it also have about 7 buttons on the center as well too. The reason why I've gone with gray and black because I think gray and black works perfectly with the Zyon 350s. The Zyon 350s is actually an earth tone sneaker, but you would never know because it's really hard to see. You can't see the earth tones unless you're literally staring at the sneaker. It has to be a couple of centimeters away from your face to actually see it. But from afar, it looks like a black and gray sneaker. And plus it's getting cold outside, so you gotta bring the flannels out. If you don't have a flannel in your closet by now, something is wrong. You gotta get you a flannel. Head down H&M, get you one of their flannels. I got this flannel for actually $29.99. So it's actually a good deal for a flannel because they're pretty expensive these days. Let's start with the bottom. We're gonna go with some regular fit joggers. Dark gray joggers. And these aren't your ordinary joggers. These actually feel like mesh joggers. You got your drawstrings at the waist. It's very thin. The one thing I can say about these joggers, there are a lot of zippers. You got zippers for the side pockets, zipper for the back pocket, and you also got concealed zippers for each leg. So these pants are zippered up, but one thing I can say, these are very comfortable. Super comfortable. You have a lot of movement, and this is actually a regular fit jogger. And one of my favorite things about this jogger is that it's actually tapered on the bottom of the joggers as well too. And I just think tapered pants, tapered sweatpants, tapered joggers work very, very well with Yeezy 350s. So I also got these for H&M as well. These only cost me $19.99. And to top it off, to get the outfit a lot more style, I actually got me a shirt from Hot Topic. I got me a Korn shirt, old school Korn. If anybody know about Korn, they are a rock band. Just a nice basic graphic t-shirt, you know. I think it looks very, very nice with flannels. And this is actually an extra large shirt, so I like my t-shirts. I like my graphic tees pretty baggy, you know. I like my sleeves to go around my elbow area, you know, because I think it looks great. And I just think having this Korn shirt, I think it gives the outfit a lot of style, a lot of swag. And guess what the back says? Still a freak. I did get the shirt from Hot Topic. It cost me 30 bucks. Now for the third outfit, we're gonna start from the top. We're gonna start off with the members only bomber that I got from H&M. I just love this coat. I love this jacket. Bombers to me is just a personal favorite. I feel as though this jacket would never go out of style. Just never, no. You can just do so much with this coat. This is a very, very versatile coat. It is tapered at the neck area. It is also tapered at the end of the sleeves, the arm sleeves, and also tapered on the bottom of the coat as well. So it's a nice fitting jacket, very, very nice. You have an all black zipper in the center of the coat, and you also have a members only utility pocket that's on the side of the actual arm sleeve. That is super dope. It also has a zipper on it as well too. But this pocket alone has several pockets in it. You can put a crazy amount of pins on this arm sleeve. So this jacket I also got from H&M. This jacket cost me $49.99, which ain't bad. And as far as the bottom, I got me some skinny blue denim jeans that I got from Old Navy. It has regular 2 standard pockets on the back of the jeans. And one major thing is that these jeans do not have a zipper. It has about several buttons on the center of the jeans. So, you know, if you're on your way to the bathroom and you really, really have to go, you probably gonna have to fight with these jeans just to get it off. I'm warning you now. And as far as the t-shirt, I got me a standard Led Zeppelin graphic t-shirt that I got from, yeah, you guessed it, from Hot Topic. I have a love for graphic t-shirts, and anytime I want a graphic t-shirt, I just go to Hot Topic. It is in black and gray. It works very, very well with the Zyon 350s. It has Led Zeppelin on it. It has a logo, and it says United States of America, 1977. I wish I was born in the 70s. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I wish I was born in the 70s, but I would like to go to a time machine and just spend a day or two in the 70s and just, you know, ball out in the 70s. I think the 70s is probably one of the best decades ever. But there you go, guys. There goes my 3 outfit looks for the Yeezy Zyon 350s. I really hope you guys found this video helpful to give you guys some ideas when you head down to the mall this upcoming holiday season. I've worn a lot of 350s, and I can say that the Zyon 350s are one of my favorite all time. So make sure you guys let me know in the comments, how do you feel about the outfits, and also how you feel about the Zyon 350s. Make sure you guys holler at me. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.